Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your auto policy with Allstate. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're switching insurance companies from Allstate to Geico. How do you actually go ahead and cancel your auto policy with Allstate? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate account. Next, where it says Edit My Policy, which is located right over here, go ahead and click on Edit My Policy. Now on this page here, you're going to have a variety of different things that you're able to do, such as manage your drivers, change your coverage, or change your address, or canceling your policy. Go ahead and click on Cancel My Policy, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your policy with Allstate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.